Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10. My inbox is full with so many messages about these mysterious teasings in Samsung's own videos. Last time we talked about the first Galaxy S10 leak that said that Samsung will still be using its infinity display similar to the S9 and S8 with minimal bezels as possible, and that the design is finalized. It's expected that the display sizes will be the same as S9 and S9 Plus, coming at 5.8 inch and 6.2 inch, but they will be smaller thanks to the less bezels. And it seems like Samsung is about to eliminate the bottom bezel completely. The first up is this video that was first sent to me multiple times. It's a Galaxy S9 ad, remix your everyday bro, and basically at about 4 seconds it shows this phone with a very minimal bottom bezel. I own a Galaxy S9 Plus and I know that it's not that thin. It's just a bit misleading on Samsung's part. I mean, again, it's a Galaxy S9 ad showcasing its slow-mo features, etc. It's just a little misleading, that's all. But recently, another Samsung video called A Touch of History has taken this to a whole new freaking level. It was uploaded on Samsung's Schwitz channel, I can't pronounce that right, but yeah, the video itself is pretty crazy. We have a phone with pretty much no bottom bezel at all. Now, why would they use a phone with no bottom bezel at all in their own promotional videos? There is no Samsung phone that exists with this design, but it reminds me of something. Yeah, that patent we saw a couple of weeks ago, which shows that Samsung is working on a design with no bottom bezel at all. In this very same video, they do show the Galaxy S9, but in renders, is the phone that resembles the next level of infinity design with no bottom chin at all. And again, ironically, that's the same thing we see in the patent design application. So far, all the leaks and everything that we have heard, all that points to a no notch display. So the notch is not happening. This design is the one that will most likely happen. I've also seen this a lot of times in other Samsung's promotional stuff from the different applications, etc. So this seems to be the ultimate plan for the Galaxy S10's design. Also, it's reported that Samsung has finished the development of the 7nm chip process and has begun to prepare its line for production. According to Sedaily.com, work was finished on the 7nm process last month, and the engineers responsible have already started working on a 5nm chip process. The current gen Exynos processor inside the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus still uses a 10nm process, and 7nm will take things to a whole new beastly level. We'll finally see first Android phone to go beyond 10,000 multi-core score in Geekbench with ease, and will probably score a near 5,000 single-core score as well. 7nm chips are not only faster, they also use less power than the existing chips, so the battery life, CPU temperatures, all that will be improved. The first 7nm chip to be produced by Samsung is expected to be the Snapdragon 855. It will be a 5G capable chip, and apparently it's going to be 40% faster and will require 35% less battery power to operate than the current gen processors. So just like the Galaxy S9, the Galaxy S10 will be the first phone to rock Snapdragon 855 processor as well as the latest Exynos 7nm processor. And lastly, no doubt about it, the Galaxy S10 will be the first phone from Samsung to rock an in-display fingerprint scanner. It's been pointed out in that leak that we talked about a couple of weeks ago, and a 3D front camera will be there. We don't know what will be the fate of Note 9 as far as the fingerprint scanner goes, but we'll see about that. The S10 is the ultimate phone that a lot of you guys are waiting for, and that's going to be the ultimate upgrade for people who are using the S8, because S9 is a perfect phone, it's a perfect Galaxy, but it's not something that is recommended to upgrade from the last year. Samsung will deliver their absolute best because they listen to their customers. As we know, the S9 Plus is the complete phone on the market, and it's gonna get even better with the Galaxy S10. So let me know if you like this design. Would you prefer this over a notch? And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.